Each show is wildly different. People flop on the floor and yell profanities. The size of the audience is never the same, and the actors make up their lines as they go. It sounds pretty insane, right? Well, it is called the Improv Asylum.
My nose on other babies' pictures of a serial killer.
Every time it's funny, it's different, you know?
In what used to be a vacant European restaurant under Hanover Street, the Asylum has made its home. Its dimly lit yet colorful atmosphere gives off a club feel with its full bar and ledge seating. People packed into the performance area.
We meet here before the show and we just start running stuff, and we hope to God we can get it ready to go by 8 o'clock when the show goes up.
It's a blast. I mean, it's fun. I mean, just getting up and performing in front of people, getting response from, from what the words you say on stage. I mean, there's nothing better than that.
They have to put up an entire 2-act sketch and improv show every week.
It's new every night, so it definitely keeps us coming back.
A strong bond is built between actors in the Asylum and the directors. Many of them have participated in the training programs and have risen in the ranks together to become main stage performers at the club.
It kind of brings everyone down here together a little bit, because you're not just working together during your shifts on weekend, but now you're doing classes together and you're getting to know everybody, and that's what I think improv is about. You need to know everybody because you need to know where people are going to go, because it's all made up.